Okay, here's an update on this observation aquarium hive. What is probably a couple of weeks later after I cut them out of that BeeHive. And look at all this great new gorgeous comb emerging. They were taking advantage of the tail end of the fall flow we had going, you know, with the Brazilian pepper. So that flow is probably coming to a close right now, but they still got a good head start. So I'm going to take the cover off and get a closer look, but I'm not going to pull any comb out of there right now, any bars, because they don't need to be bothered. Alright, so here they are, just calm as can be, building. And I know they're attaching on the side right there, but that's not any big deal. It's just a matter of reaching down in there and scraping it flush, you know, if I were to pull them out. And this aquarium right here is different from the aquarium I had before set up, because this one's not as deep. So it's just actually more, what's the word? More useful, because the combs aren't as long. It's more practical. All this glare. But they're coming along nicely, and no need to pull out any of those combs right now at this point.